Having trouble with KB5050188 failing to install on Windows 11? In this video, we'll guide you through quick and easy fixes to resolve the issue and get your updates installed successfully. Step 1. Notepad Solution. First, search for Notepad and open it. Copy the commands from the video description and paste them into Notepad. Click on File, then Save As. Choose a location to save the file and name it with a .bat extension. Make sure to select all files under the Save as Type drop-down and click Save. Now right-click on the .bat file and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Type Y and press Enter. And repeat by typing Y again and pressing Enter. Step 2. Command Prompt Solutions. Next, search for CMD and open it as Administrator. Copy the first command from the video description, DISM/online/cleanupimage/CheckHealth, and paste it into command prompt. Press Enter. Then, paste and run the next command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth, and press Enter. Now, run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. Wait for it to reach 100%. Next, copy and paste SFC/scannow and press Enter. Step 3. Check Disk command. Now, search for CMD again, right-click to run as Administrator, and click Yes. Copy and paste CHKDSK, C:/F and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Finally, restart your PC by right-clicking on the Windows Start button, and the disk check will run automatically after restart. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.